In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose or apply your preferred layout on slides in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on New Slide here. So if I click on New Slide, you can see we have this blank slide that has been added. However, I like this slide to have a particular or a specific layer. To choose the layout, go ahead and right click on the slide that you have just added and then choose this option, Apply Layout. Now you'll see we have quite a number of layout options that are available for you here. For instance, I want to choose this title and 2-column layout. So if I click on it, you can see it will go ahead and give me this format on this slide. Now here I can go ahead and add my title and then add these 2 columns text. So that's how you can choose your preferred or add your preferred layout in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.